A product that prevents more than 50% of all failures before they even occur. More than half of all failures result from inadequate lubrication. Fortunately, there is an ideal solution for this. GREASEMAX, the automatic lubricator. It puts an end to inaccurate lubrication and missed lubrication intervals, premature component wear and unplanned downtime, time-consuming manual relubrication and unnecessary safety risks, as well as high maintenance costs and growing staffing demands. GREASEMAX supplies your components automatically, continuously and reliably with fresh lubricant. A resource saving you will feel every single day. And the best part? Installation is remarkably simple. With GREASEMAX, just 4 steps to worry-free machine lubrication. Step 1. Make your selection. GREASEMAX supplies your lubrication point with 120 cubic centimeters of fresh lubricant over 1, 3, 6 or 12 months. This way, the right amount of lubricant can be selected for every requirement. In our lubricants section, you will also find a pre-selection of all available standard lubricants. For the lubricant of your choice, feel free to reach out to us. Step 2. After cleaning the lubrication point, screw in the appropriate reducer. Make sure the lubrication point is already filled with the correct lubricant. This ensures optimal starting conditions. Step 3. Turn the start cap, white, blue, red or gray, into the base of GREASEMAX until the activating screw audibly engages. Then, tighten the start cap fully using a tool. Now, note down the replacement date and remove the closing cap. GREASEMAX can now be screwed directly into your lubrication point or installed indirectly using the hose line. Step 4. GREASEMAX now begins the automatic lubrication of your lubrication point. From this moment on, you benefit from reliable, consistent and maintenance-free lubrication. And that around the clock. Get in touch today and receive your quote.